I'm truly honored to be here to open the 7th Fiji National Women's Expo 2025. Today is a glorious celebration of the talents and hard work of the incredible women artisans from all over the country who will be gathered here for the next 3 days. Your creativity, hard work, and dedication, despite facing various challenges and recent weather conditions, demonstrate your resilience and make this event so special. To each of you, whether you are a weaver, making mats, yimbe, fans, or iri, bags, or rumbu, or you are a Masi artist, or you make earrings or fashion, or you sew beautiful items for the family or the home. Congratulations for making it to the National Expo. I also want to congratulate the Ministry for Women, stakeholders, and support of development partners who have the integral to make this Expo the great success that it has become. This Expo is a significant platform to connect you to the sustainable economic opportunities and strategies for the future. Government, through the Ministry of Women, Children, and Social Protection, along with key stakeholders and development partners, recognizes and values the talents of our mothers, wives, sisters, aunties, and grandmothers. You are the custodian of the beautiful handicrafts and products displayed here today. This year's theme is very fitting: Fijian women at the heart of economic progress. The theme is a truism that captures the vision behind this Expo and various economic empowerment programs and projects that assist the women and girls of Fiji. These initiatives are designed to ensure women from all communities have access to and benefit from equal opportunities, rights, and resources. This Expo is one of the ways that the Ministry is creating and supplying the domestic and global market to assist our women in marketing their products to support their livelihoods and the well-being of their families and communities. It's about breaking down barriers and challenging stereotypes so that all women and girls can participate fully in all aspects of life, including education, work, and decision-making at all levels. This National Expo implements the government's commitment to gender-responsive and inclusive economic empowerment programs. The support and dedication of government ministries, private institutions, civil society, faith-based organizations, and development partners are critical to the success of this Expo. Their combined effort and partnership ensure that Fijian women are at the forefront of economic progress, driving positive challenge and development in our communities. Efforts to empower women economically face several barriers. These include social norms and systematic structures, health challenges, including cancer and reproductive health, violence against women and girls, natural disasters, and the impact of climate change all create obstacles for our women to women's economic empowerment. To help overcome these challenges and achieve their potential, a supportive environment and implementing policies to tackle these issues are necessary. Only then we can truly realize the goal of women's economic empowerment and create a more inclusive and equitable society. The government has prioritized the implementation of National Action Plan to prevent violence against all women and girls, which outlines a comprehensive approach to stopping violence. By creating a safe environment for our mothers, sisters, and children, we can grow strong together and instill love, trust, and a sense of belonging to our families. Building on this, I've been told that the Ministry of Women, Children, and Social Protection and its key stakeholders are currently working the Women's Economic Empowerment National Action Plan for Fiji. I commend the Ministry and other agencies for this bold action, knowing that coordinating women's economic empowerment is a complex process. I'm glad to note that the Ministry has put together an exciting program for the next 3 days, focusing on information sharing, capacity development, access to health services, learning from success stories, interaction, and networking. To the women artisans, I wish you all the best of sales for the next few days and hope this event shall be transformative, boosting your confidence and assisting you turning challenges into opportunities. I am confident this national platform will generate innovative ideas and approaches to better grow your businesses and support your families and communities. In conclusion, I thank all the major sponsors, development partners, and service providers who have made this event possible. To all who may be watching this from home, if you are in Suva, please come down to the Vodafone Arena to support our women artisans. Let's embrace this occasion and come together to support all our women artisans. With those words, it gives me great pleasure to officially open the 7th Fiji National Women's Expo 2025. Vinaka Vakalevu, Dani Bad, and thank you.